Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, aka CPR, can be performed in two ways, with compressions and rescue breaths, or with just compressions, which is referred to as hands-only CPR. Both of these techniques can save a life, and today we're going to teach you about hands-only CPR. By just performing chest compressions, it helps keep the blood flowing through your body. According to the American Heart Association, hands-only bystander CPR may reduce the time to initiation of CPR and results in delivery of greater number of chest compressions with fewer interruptions. So when is a good time to use hands-only CPR? There are a few different situations. If you are a bystander to an accident and the victim is someone you don't know, many individuals don't feel comfortable giving rescue breaths to a stranger. Or if you do not feel confident in your ability to perform rescue breaths correctly. Adults have approximately 10 minutes from the time consciousness is lost until there is no oxygen in the bloodstream, so we have to be able to act quickly. Let's take a look at how hands-only CPR is performed.
Hands-only CPR is easy to perform and can be potentially life-saving. If you come upon an unconscious person, first call 911 or your local emergency number.
We need help.
Then place the heel of one hand in the center of the unconscious individual's chest and interlace your fingers over top. Next, position your shoulders directly over the top of their chest. Finally, press hard and fast on the center of their chest just like this. Compressions should be at least 2 inches in depth and at a rate of about 100 to 120 beats per minute. Continue with compressions until the person shows signs of life, EMS arrives, the scene becomes unsafe, or you are too exhausted to continue. Let's take a look at some people practicing hands-only CPR. Remember these basic steps to hands-only CPR, and you might just save a life.